Good morning and welcome to our maths challenge today. Really tricky challenge. Starts with level 1, goes up to level 5. Before I explain anything, let me be really clear. You do not have to do all 5 levels. It's a challenge, so you can choose how far you go. You might stop after level 1 because you've done your best. Great, fine. You might keep going and challenge yourself, pushing as far as you can all the way to level 5. I'd be incredibly impressed if anybody manages to complete level 5. But it's up to you how much you do. You must do level 1. After that, you choose. Okay, on with the show. Here we have I'm going to call it a pyramid. It's not a pyramid, but we'll call it that for today. And we can see that we've got 2 numbers on the bottom and 1 above. These 2 added together make this number up here. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. You can see on these pyramids there are numbers missing. I've chosen exactly the same numbers, but this is how we're going to complete our challenges today. If you are missing a number above, we have to add them together. So to find this missing number, we add the numbers underneath. 3 plus 5 equals, now we can do that one in our head or on our fingers, 3 plus 5 equals 8. If we're missing a number underneath, we have to do a takeaway, a subtraction. So to find this missing number, we have to do 8, take away 3, to find the answer 5. So if we're going up, we're adding, and if we're coming down, we're taking away the number that's next door. That's really important. It's super important that you can understand that. So to check that we do understand, what number do you think is missing from this one? It's a number on top that's missing. So to work it out, we have to add the 2 numbers straight underneath. 4 plus 2. If you think you know that one, fantastic. Have a look at this one. It's a number below. It's underneath. So we have to do a take away to find this missing number. 9, take away 3. What number's missing? Let's count backwards. 9, 3 times 9, 8. 7. Got those numbers in your head? Because it should look like this. 4 plus 2 is 6. 9 take away 3 equals 6. Both the answers that time were 6. Now that we've had a little think, have a look at level 1. You will notice straight away that the numbers are bigger, so we need to draw 10s and 1s to solve these problems. Or we need to draw a number line if it's a takeaway. Just to get you started on level 1. This one, we're missing a number on top, so we're going to add. This one, the number's underneath, so we're going to take away 35, take away 13. Here, exactly the same, it's a number underneath. 54, take away 12. On top, so we're going to add. On top, so we're going to add. And underneath, so we're going to do 52, take away 23 to find this one. You could pause the video and use it on the screen, but don't worry, all of this information is also posted on your class story. I'm going to quickly show you levels 2, 3, 4, and 5. But the explanation is exactly the same. So here is level 2. 2 different pyramids. So you've got a little bit more thinking to do to work out how you can possibly fill in these gaps. This one, extra easy. This one, a little bit more thinking needs to happen. Let's look at level 3. Wow, this is a big pyramid. And you can see the number at the end is getting much bigger. How are you going to fill in these gaps? Where could you start? You need to look for where you've got enough information to fill in the missing boxes. Where you've got enough information to fill in the missing boxes. And then as soon as you start filling them in, you'll have enough information to fill in the missing boxes. That's level 3. I'm laughing because I know what level 4 looks like. Level 4! It's a monster pyramid. This is level 4, exactly the same thing. Look for where you have enough information to fill in the missing boxes. Level 5 is a bit different, because all I've given you for level 5 are the boxes. You have to arrange them in the pyramid so that all of the number sentences make sense. Now this one is really tricky, and I wouldn't expect you to have a go at this all on your own. You might need a grown-up to help you, or you might need to help a grown-up to work out what the pyramid looks like for level 5. If you get this far, you're doing really, really well. Unbelievable effort. Amazing attitude if you get to level 5. It will be nice to see some people having a go at this final pyramid. You could even have a go during the holidays. Now, grown-ups, I'm going to post the answers on Class Dojo at the end of today. So before I do my sign-off video, probably about 5 o'clock, I'll post the answers on Class Dojo so you can have a look together. Let's take it back to level 1, because that is where you are going to start. Good luck, everybody. Have fun. Use those brains to work out these problems.